If you want low fee deposits or withdrawals to Interactive Brokers, Wise is one of the most convenient ways to move money internationally. So I'll show you exactly how to connect your Wise account, set up inside IBKR, and make sure transfers go through without issues. So open the Wise app first on the Wise website or the app. Then you go home, choose your balance and account details. Wise will show you the banking information you must use. Account number / routing number, IBAN, sort code, and bank name and address. Keep these details ready. You'll need to enter them into IBKR exactly as shown. After that, log into the client portal on IBKR. Then you go to Transfer and Pay, Transfer Funds, and Make a Deposit. Choose the currency you're sending and select Bank Transfer, SEPA Transfer, or Local Transfer for supported regions. Now you'll see an option to add a new bank. Enter the Wise account details exactly as they appear in the app, and make sure the name on your IBKR account matches your Wise account name. IBKR rejects mismatches. After entering your Wise bank info, IBKR will ask transfer type, amount, and which account the funds are coming from. Submit the notification that doesn't send the money. And then open Wise again, choose Send and Bank Account and add recipient. Add your Interactive Brokers bank details shown in the deposit instructions, and Wise will send ACH for USD, SEPA for Euro, and faster payments for British Pound, SWIFT for unsupported currencies. Your IBKR account typically receives the funds within 1 business day for Europe and US, and international SWIFT 1 to 3 days. And that's how you link your Wise to Interactive Brokers, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.